Total Money Magnetism Review. Are you struggling to create a new millionaire online business, but your mindset keeps holding you back? In this video, I will explain what Total Money Magnetism PDF and audio is, how old and how it's good for your mindset. Dr. Steve Jones has a lot of mental monetization strategies that you can apply right away in order to help the automatic reprogramming the brain thought process for wealth, success, abundance, and just easy steps, which provides in the training. The link is in the bio to the free PDF for Total Money Magnetism Review and the book in description as well. Now, the purpose of the High Ticket Affiliate Marketing YouTube channel is to help people make money online, learning ways how to create freedom, leaving that 9-to-5 work system, entrepreneurs and action takers to learn how to create that 6 to 7 figure income online without any products or any type of business or website. So if that is something that you're actually interested in, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel as well as hit the notifications as well in order to be able to know when videos will be coming out. So I will be trying to shoot videos at least once per day. That way you'll have information to be able to take you to the next step. So I'm going to leverage my millionaire coaching team to be able to take us to the next level of having a millionaire mindset. So again, thank you for the opportunity here, and let's jump right into it. And don't forget, all the information is in the description as well as to subscribe here to the channel. Now, Controlling Your Thoughts and the Total Money Magnetism Review is a blog that I actually wrote in regards to the review of Total Money Magnetism. So how does Total Money Magnetism work? It works by taking the psychology that, makes you believe something that's not true. In something like high ticket affiliate marketing as a beginner, you go through so many different challenges just with yourself in regards to mindset. So what's inside the actual Total Money Magnetism book? You actually receive, once you click on the link here, a book from Dr. Steve G. Jones, which allows you to be able to take on the strategies to increase your mindset. He goes on to actually have an audio that I'll have a segment of that we'll play here after this review, but he has an audio as well that takes a moment and allows you to understand that the millionaire mindset stops and leaves excuses behind and takes things to the next level. So in the book, in his actual program, there's 6 steps that he actually goes through. As he is a multimillionaire, he's a celebrity success coach. He's actually a well-renowned therapist in regards to magnetism of money. And with this program, he has a book, he has an audio edition, he has 6 steps in regards to having the brain audio program, getting your millionaire mindset together, 3 fastest ways to make money in millions online, as well as the Platinum Millionaire Mind Makers bonus audio MP3. So that's the PDF as well as MP3 package with the Total Money Magnetism. Okay, so with the whole program, you'll be able to find some strategies that builds mental advice in order to allow you to kind of open the doors to understanding and creating your path as well as your why, so that you can have wealth, success, and that financial freedom you've always wanted and looked for. So there's 5 reasons mindset in a new business, doesn't matter if it's an online business or if you're doing any business, why mindset is important. Mindset number 1 is important because when you're starting something new, you don't believe in your ability to succeed in that new thing. Because again, there's different things that you're not prepared for. So you never think you're going to make it past the finish line. The starting line. Number 2, a positive mindset will help you stay focused and motivated to being able to reach your goal. So you'll be able to push through having all the adversities or things that you don't understand. You'll be able to push through and go to the next level. Number 3, a positive mindset will help you attract the right people and opportunities in your life. When you make changes, and I know making changes in this high ticket affiliate marketing journey in regards to relationship, it also is a change in mindset in knowing between if you want an A to B situation, how to be able to vocalize and communicate that to the people around you professionally as well as personally. Number 4, a positive mindset will help you with setbacks, okay? So everyone experiences some type of setback at some moment. For example, you have, in regards to my accountability partner here, I had to make sure that I was doing all the things every day to make sure I'm accountable for my success. So having that's something you can have as an accountability partner that we'll get into to being able to encourage your success to your next point. Number 5, having a positive mindset will just help you enjoy the journey. As I do my affirmations every day, you want to make sure you enjoy, of course, the end destination, but the journey along the way. In regards to your mindset, if you continue to train your mindset and control the thoughts that you have in regards to getting from A to B, then again, that's going to help you elevate financially, emotionally, spiritually, as well as taking on something new as regards to high ticket affiliate marketing. With the actual high ticket affiliate marketing and mindset, the reason I wanted to bring this in front of you as an actual package, mindset plays a part in regards to what we're doing, something new, creating a new business online. So in the bonus of having that one-on-one consultation with me when you go through the free Freedom Breakthrough bonus, mindset is a huge portion of that part of actually getting to the next step. Because again, you're going to be actually focused on you. You're your own boss to create your own rules. In doing that, yes, you have that multimillionaire mentorship team. I mean, they're awesome and amazing, but even with the team, at the end of the day, the focus still lies on you. So hopefully in this video, you were able to obtain some information about Total Money Magnetism. The book is there, the free PDF. Please don't hesitate to actually take advantage of the opportunity by Dr. Steve Jones that may elevate and put your mindset into a space that, take you to the next level of millionaire status. And please don't forget to leave comments below and let me know if this video actually helped or more videos like this in the comments below. Because again, my goal is to be able to help get you to your mindset to understand your why to help you get to the next level. Hopefully you continue to be in the change. Thank you. This is Adrienne, and make today amazing.